Welcome to Customer-Centric Service Assurance Phase 2. And welcome to Happy Land. This is the land populated by those people you see in adverts around the world. We may be cynical about these pictures, but the reality is happy customers are what we all rely upon, whether we're a digital service provider, software company, or a local bakery. Happy customers are those ones that return to you. Returning customers are the ones that will bring you the most revenue. So continued happiness is really important. And you may wonder, where does that fit in your model of your business? Well, we say it fits in this area. You have fulfillment of orders, you have billing, and you want to be billing the appropriate amount, and you want great customer service. And what we have wrapping that all together, orchestrating the whole thing, is service assurance. Now, we set about 3 years ago with the first phase of this catalyst to look at what we could do to raise the standards of customer-centric service assurance in this industry. Because the reality is the customers aren't happy in the telecoms industry, and the NPS scores tell that truth. Telecommunications scores the bottom of all the technology sectors. So we need to do something about it. We set about developing some tools that would be easy to use, and they were based upon visualization. And what you see here is a simple visualization of a very complex network and things that are happening in there. It's really easy for anybody to see where the problems are in the network, and this used to be something that only the experts could see. And that's really helped our customers. This is now GA and in use around the world. We stepped that on in this phase 2 because we realized that we weren't bringing in enough customer voice. And we'd like to welcome you to the Catalyst this year to talk to us about what we're doing with adding customer voice. Here is the latest version of our Catalyst. And you'll see that we have these hexagons, which are either green or red. The green ones, surprise, surprise, are things where everything's going well. The red ones need more work. And what we're bringing in here is customer experience data. Live customer experience data. It could be Twitter feeds, it could be ARPU, it could be NPS scores, it could be whatever you want. But we're matching that up with live network data and seeing, are there things that we can do in the network to make our customers happier? But in fact, we've also taken it on a step further. We've introduced a new acronym, Dynamic Service Relationship Modeling and Management, DSRM squared. And what we're doing here is taking complex services and breaking them down into the smaller services that make them up, so that we can model and monitor exactly the service that a customer is receiving at any time. We have examples here of a service which is all green, everything's great. But what happens is something goes wrong in a redundant circuit. Now the customer service is still working, but it's at risk. And so with this new development in phase 2, we can now get proactive and start to deliver customer service which is telling customers before events happen, before things go wrong. That's the customer service that they've been asking for a long time. So I want to welcome you to come to our Catalyst and talk to us about this exciting new area, about how we can bring more customer voice and really develop customer-centric service assurance and hopefully get to happy customers. Thank you.